All right, so now you see it, now you don't. Illusions to test your brain. Sim and I have 15 seconds to figure out two things that we can see from an image. Okay, run. Really fierce. I see a woman's face.
Yeah.
And I don't say, oh.
And the map, you never saw the map or the globe? There's a map on the outside.
Yeah.
And then they have the woman's
I
face
saw the
on the
woman's
inside.
face. You got both?
Yeah. I saw both of them. The map I saw first. You never saw the
Yeah.
map first?
This one,
Oh,
no.
this is actually another one.
This one,
There's
no.
a person standing.
Yes, can see the legs.
And is that somebody's hair in the back?
That's a face.
Like a face with somebody's hair in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Always an Eskimo. And I need to, okay, we wouldn't really have guessed it
Yeah,
like
exact. Yeah.
Alright, there's another face.
And a man
And a
smoking
lips.
a pipe.
And then
Look
there's
like,
is it a
like Donald
pipe
Trump.
or a saxophone?
A pipe.
Is
Lips,
it?
yeah.
Okay.
The pipe. The
The
man.
lady's head with a bow and a
And a
lips,
man.
and then a man,
Yeah.
Sherlock Holmes.
Well, that's the
Well,
pipe
Sherlock
and a
carries
man's
his pipe,
face.
so okay. Oh, it's Snow White.
Yeah, well, them never to must get exact.
Snake? Is there a snake in it?
Evil and good.
Ah, yes, EVIL. And good. Very good.
If I right.
Yeah, man, you are correct.
Hey. Nefri, your brain working, son.
Man on a horse with a dog.
Yeah.
There's
There's only
a
two
thing
things you
there
must
back
get.
there. What you call it? A tent in the background.
A what?
A tent round the back. In the
Yeah.
right hand corner.
Yeah, red and white. Back, top, red and white top. He's coming, he's going. What that mean? What that mean?
I don't know.
I don't understand that one.
An old lady in a sombrero and
So
it's also some kind of field. That's an old person.
And look like there's a two hat that are one. There's a afro and a hat. Where's the girl? Where's the girl?
I don't know where the girl is. Two faces, Batman, and there's one character and then there's two Batman faces to each other. But there's one, I don't know who that character is that you look at to form, who has the two eyes, you see it there?
Yeah, like a cat.
I don't know who it is. Oh, it's Wolverine, okay.
Two Batmen. Two Batmen. Okay.
So you say so that me. It's
Yeah.
a bunny
Turn back to
and I don't look like a beak.
Is that rabbit?
So a bunny
rabbit ears.
and
Rabbit
is there a
ears.
duck and a duck?
Yeah, a rabbit and a duck.
Yeah.
Yeah. Our brains are working. I didn't
Okay.
understand it. One is coming, one is going.
I guess depending on the perspective you're looking at, he could have been going away from the tented area, or he could have been, I don't know if you can put up that one again, but
I
coming
didn't
to
understand
where?
that one. I didn't understand that one.
But I think we proved that we're pretty sharp,
All right, so
even at 6:25.
yeah, there you go.
in the
But
morning.
more on Smile, folks, because we're going to give you news in 5 after the break with the Shade Masters. So we'll soon come. See?
Yes.
Yeah.